Hi guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself and they will also learn because they're my friends and they also will want to learn English. So, let's start now. What's your name?
My name is Orpita Alamgir Tripti.
Where are you from?
I'm from at Janakpur in Gazipur.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies are cooking and gardening.
Are you Muslim?
Yes, I am Muslim.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Where are you studying?
I study in Rajendrapur High School.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to my free time sleeping.
The correct answer will be I like to sleep in my free time. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Okay, now your turn. What's your name?
My name is Tanisha Akhtar.
Where are you from?
I am from at Kacharipara in Gazipur.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How old are you?
I am 60 years old.
Okay. What's your hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Okay. Are you Muslim?
Yes, I am Muslim.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sibling.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fish.
Where are you studying?
I study in Rajendrapur High School.
Okay. What do you do in your free time?
I like to gardening.
Okay. Okay, now, thank you.
You are most welcome.
Now it's time to say bye bye and bye. See you in the next video.